Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing a few different items. First up we have the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit in the shade Ginger, and last but not least we have the Jeffree Star Highlighter in the shade Sarcophagus. So if you would like to see how my face turns out in the end, then just keep on watching and be sure and subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below any video suggestions or comments, concerns, questions, all that down there. And yeah, okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be prepping my lips, and we are going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Scrub, and this is in the flavor orange soda, and it's really good. So this basically just tastes like orange soda, so, and it smells so good. But I'm just gonna put this all over my lips, lip scrubs, basic sort of thing. Also, another thing as to why I really like this lip scrub is it can also double as a facial exfoliator or a body exfoliator to get all the dead skin off, and it works amazing, and it just leaves you smelling like orange soda. And just to keep my lips hydrated so they're not dry, I'm going to be using this Vaseline little lip therapy thing that you can get at any drugstore, and I just use this now instead of chapstick. Okay, so now that that is done, we are going to first be doing our eyes first rather than our face first, because in case I mess up, then I can easily just clean it real easy and quick. So what I'm going to be using in my eyebrows is my Benefit Precisely My Brow Eye Pencil. So I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree mirror just to get up in my face so I can easily see what I'm doing. Okay, eyebrows are on and pretty good in my opinion. I mean, they could look absolutely terrible, but in my opinion they look okay and doable. Yeah, they actually look pretty good. I like them. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to be taking the Morphe eyeshadow primer and going to be putting that all over my eyelid. And then I'll get right into the eye look. But now that I have my eyeshadow primer on, we're going to be digging into the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection. And there is a lot of backlash on this palette and this collection because of some troubles. But I will throw up some swatches either on this side of the screen or that side of the screen, because just to show you what it looks like with flash and then what it looks like without flash. So just look up around there for what it looks like swatched. So yeah. Okay, so I have the Ring the Alarm palette, and so I'm going to be digging into Rush right here, and I'm taking that on a Morphe M504. And I'm just going to get that on there. And I'm just going to be sweeping this back and forth on my eyelid. So far, this looks really, really pretty. And I don't even know what kind of eye look I'm going to do. I'm just sort of winging it. I'm going to be taking Mugshot right down here, right there, and I'm taking this on a BH Cosmetics No. 5 brush. I think it was from their Aurora collections. I don't know exactly, but I'm just taking that on there, and I'm going to be putting that directly into my crease. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. Okay, so I'm now going to be mixing Siren and Framed together, like I'm gonna just dab into each other just to deepen up that crease. Okay, and I'm going to be going back with that Morphe M504 brush I'm just going to just sweep over just to blend everything out, and I can't get words out because I can't speak. So now that I have that done, I'm going to now be taking on camera, and I'm going to be putting that directly on the center of my eyelid, and I'm going to be taking that on a BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm first going to spray it with some setting spray first just to get all the pigment. Next I'm going to go in with Boom, and I'm going to be putting that on like my inner eyelid. And I'm taking that on an Anastasia Beverly Hills like eyeshadow palette, the little flat head brush. I don't know what it's called. It doesn't have a name, or not that I know of. And I'm just spraying that with some more setting spray. Okay, I'm going to be going back in with that pencil, the little pencil brush, and I'm going to be redefining my crease. And I'm going back with Frame and Siren mixed together. I'm going back in with that M504 brush and just to lightly blend that out once again. And I'm going to be dipping back into Rush just so I can bring that color back. Okay, there is the eyes all done, or for now they are. So I'm going to be taking a little makeup wipe and just to clean that up to make it sharp. Okay, so now we're going to get right into the face, and so I have this Smashbox Photo Finish face primer. And this is the little travel size, it's not the full size, so yeah. Okay, now that my primer is on, we're going to be taking the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and we're going to see how this looks on my face. Okay, now that is on, and now we're going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're just going to be putting that where you would normally put concealer. Now we're going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte setting powder, and I'm just going to be taking it on this brush. And next I'm going to be taking my Butter Bronzer, and I'm taking it on this big fluff brush. Next I'm going to be putting on blush. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match blush, and I'm just going to be taking that on an angled brush. Okay, blush is on, and in my little viewfinder it looks like I look like a clown. But I actually look super pretty in person though. Now I'm going to attempt to do a wing liner, and hopefully it goes well. If not, then I'm screwed. Okay, that's the best liner that I'm going to be able to do right now. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, so there's that. Next, I'm going to be throwing on, or trying to put on, a pair of lashes in the style Boudoir Mini. Those are those right there. And in case I didn't say this, they're from House of Lashes. And before I put on my bottom mascara, I'm going to go back into the Wrinkly Alarm. And just gonna take our fluffy boy here and I'm dipping into Mug Shot, and I'm just going to lightly just brush that. And now I'm going to be dipping into Framed, just a light little tap, and I'm putting that right on this outer corner here. Okay, now I'm going back in with my mascara just to do my bottom lashes real quick. But now I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Sarcophagus, and that's what it looks like. And I'm just taking that on a little highlighter brush here. Oh my god! Ooh! Oh my god. Okay, looking very frosty. So now, last but not least, we are going to be using our Kylie Jenner lip kit in the shade Ginger. So, got our little lip liner, and we're going to line my lips and then just go over them in the lipstick. Okay, now we are going to set my face with the Mario Badescu little facial spray, and then we will be all done. Okay, there we go, and yeah, that's the end of the video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and be sure and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And let me just say that all the products here I just love. They worked very nicely. They blended very nicely together. And yeah, they look very good on my face, so I look cute. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully very soon. But thank you. And yeah, okay, bye.